friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 9th English medium subject SS. Friends, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 12, that is Indian democracy. Okay, India is a democratic country that we already know. Okay, and which kind of the democracy we held out in India, that we have to understood in this lesson. Okay, India has a highest number of water in the world. If you are talk about the largest democratic country of the world, okay, after China, we know that India got the second rank into the matter of population. So if you are talk about the population, so India got the second position. Okay, population wise, India is the largest democratic country in the world. This amazing democracy is more than 6 decades old. Okay, this democracy is about the 6 decades old, because we got the independence in the year of 1947. During this period in India, there has been a many political upheavals and up and downs. Okay, during the time period from the 1947 to 2020, there are many political changes and up and down were happened. Many political parties rule over the India. The Indian democracy is sustained due to the dedication and inside its citizen. Okay, the Indian democracy is sustained just because of the dedication and insight of the citizens means the person who living in the Indian democracy, who got the citizenships of India. We shall study in detail characteristic features and Indian democracy. We have to study about in detail about the characteristic features of Indian democracy. Okay, about Indian democracy, which kind of the characteristics are there, which kind of the features are there, that we have to study in this lesson. Now, first of all, the main point is about election in democracy. How election has happened, and what was the method to take the election. Okay, so everything is described in this paragraph. In the world, many countries have democracy. There exists difference in the governance and these countries. Okay, डेमोक्रेसी होने के बावजूद भी, इन स्पाइट ऑफ द डेमोक्रेसी, देयर एग्जिस्ट द डिफरेंस. यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस टू गवर्नेंस द दिस कंट्रीज. ओके, ये कंट्री के गवर्नेंस चलाने में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट होता है. एवरी कंट्री हैज़ अ डिफरेंट रूल, एवरी कंट्री हैज़ अ डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट. ओके, तो उनका जो डेमोक्रेसी तो सब में कॉमन है. डेमोक्रेसी इज़ ए कॉमन फॉर एवरी वन, बट उनका जो रूल ओवर है दैट इज़ डिफरेंट इन ईच एंड एवरी. ओके, in a democracy a voter cast his own vote. Okay, in the democratic country we know that after the age of the 18 years above, you can you can get the right to vote. Okay, and the voter can cast its own vote. The right to vote remains the same in each democratic country, through the country's governors may vary. Okay, तो एवरी कंट्री के अंदर जो होता है वो वोट देने का, एवरी डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री हैज़ द दिस वे टू गिव द वोट देयर ओन कास्ट. ओके, सो तो उनका जो अपने हिसाब से वोट देने का तरीका होता है वो सेम होता है. द डेमोक्रेसी thrives through the voting process and the voter during the elections. Okay, the democracy thrives, democracy चलती है किसके थ्रू, वोटिंग प्रोसेस के थ्रू, और वोटर जो होते हैं वो इलेक्शन के अंदर ये काम करते हैं. आवर कंट्री हैज़ अ पार्लियामेंटरी सिस्टम. आवर कंट्री हैज़ विच काइंड ऑफ द सिस्टम, पार्लियामेंटरी सिस्टम. ओके, लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, अपर हाउस एंड lower house, they both are considered as. Okay, so this is a parliamentary system in our country has. Okay, parliament is the national institution representing the people. Which is representing the people. The Parliament of India consists of the President. Into the Parliament of the India, the main person, if you are talk about, that is President, and after that Vice President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Okay. as mentioned into the earlier chapter that we already studied into the earlier chapter of this book only, Rajya Sabha is the upper house and the of the permanent, and the Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. Sorry, so this is called parliament. So Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament and Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. Okay, that we know. The state has the legislative assembly. Every state has its legislative assembly. Okay, some states have the legislative council also. Okay, that we already did discuss in detail of in our previous chapter. Okay, तो every state has legislative assembly और सब कोई कोई स्टेट के अंदर legislative council भी होती है. A voter is at the सेंटर ऑफ फ्रेमिंग द राज्यसभा. वोटर जो होते हैं वो सेंटर पार्ट होते हैं राज्यसभा के, लोकसभा के और लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के और लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल की. इन आवर कंट्री ऑल द गवर्निंग बॉडीज आर इलेक्टेड थ्रू द वोटिंग. ऑल द गवर्नर बॉडीज वर इलेक्टेड थ्रू द वोटिंग. वट एवर द parties were there, whatever the parties were taking into the participation of the election, that were chosen by them through the voting. Thus democracy is realized by election. Okay, the democracy election के थ्रू डिपेंड होती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज अबाउट द democracy and voter. Okay, a voter is very important in democracy. If you are talk about the voter is very important in democracy. A person who give the vote, that is known as voter. Okay, our country has universal adult suffrage. Universal adult suffrage का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो पर्सन की एज 18 ईयर्स से एबव हो जाती है उनको इन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से राइट दिया जाता है, राइट टू वोट. तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एडल्ट सफरेज. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है अ पर्सन ऑफ 18 ईयर्स ऑफ एज और एबव हु इज़ एनलिस्टेड इनटू द वोटर लिस्ट एंड कैन कास्ट वोट. और वो वोट दे सकता है. उनका इलेक्शन मतदान आदि में उसका नाम जो है वो नोंदनी किया जाता है और उसके बाद उसको वोट डालने का हक मिलता है. अ पर्सन हु हैज़ नॉट डिक्लेयर a person who has not declared bankruptcy or is not mentally unstable can vote without any discrimination. Okay, if the person find out the bankruptcy, he or she cannot give the vote. Okay, if the person is mentally unstable, he or she cannot give the vote. So without this kind of the condition, any of the voter gave the vote without any discrimination. Okay, the constitution guarantees a right to vote. Constitution gave a guarantee to the citizen to right for a vote, even amidst literacy, poverty and many of the similar issues. Okay, many of the similar issues in our country has like illiteracy, okay, poverty and the amidst. So everything we know very well. The system of the universal adult suffrage is based on the principle of one person, one vote. Okay, this method is based to give the vote. This method is based on one person, one vote. Means one person gave one vote only in one election. It is the duty of every citizen to vote without greed or fear. It is duty of the citizen of India to give the vote to its favorite और उनका जो पसंदीदार जो लीडर होता है उनको वोट वो किसी भी तरीके के डर या लालच, ग्रीड मीन्स लालच और फियर मीन्स डर, तो विदाउट ग्रीड और फियर he can give the vote. A voter should be aware of the vigilant of its right. It's be aware about its right. Okay, the constitution has provided a right to vote to each of its citizen without any discrimination of caste, creed, religion or education. Okay, constitution gave the right to its voter without any discrimination. किसी भी तरीके का भेदभाव नहीं होता है, चाहे वो कोई भी कास्ट से बिलोंग करता है, if he belongs with any of the religion, if he belongs with इफ़ ही हैड एनी काइंड ऑफ द एजुकेशन. अगर वो अनपढ़ भी होता है लेकिन वो 18 ईयर्स और अबव हो और नॉर्मल पर्सन हो तो ही और शी कैन गिव द वोट. Voting is an important process in democracy. If you are talk about the democracy, voting is the main and important process of that part. Okay, in our country there is a universal adult suffrage. If you are talk about our country, universal adult suffrage में हमने बताया कि 18 ईयर्स से एज की अबव होती है तो जो voting is a right as well as duty of citizen. What is voting is considered right and duty of the citizen. Every voter should be exercised to right to vote. Every voter, हर एक वोटर को हक होता है कि वो वोट करे. Okay, this is important point. Now next point is about the election, the foundation of democracy. Election is called the foundation of democracy. How? Let's see. Election is the foundation of the democracy. A festival environmental is seen during the election. You know that whenever the election comes, ठीक है, तो उस टाइम पे जो environment होता है, it is looks like a festival. जैसे कोई त्यौहार आ गया हो, ऐसा एटमोसफियर हम देखने को मिलता है. The people can evaluate their representative during the election. Okay, whatever the people are belonging or whatever the people are joining with their favorite party, they representative they executed that representative whenever the election were held out. Any person who has the prerequisite to contest the election can do so. Candidate belonging to the political party as well as the independent candidate who do not belong any political party contest the election. Okay, election के अंदर political party से belong कोई person है वो पार्ट ले सकता है, और अगर कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से बिलोंग ना हो तो वो अपक्ष में अपनी उम्मीदवारी को नोंधा सकता है. इन एन इलेक्शन the winning candidate of any party or belonging to the coalitions of the party comes to power. Whoever the party will win into the election, the belonging party's main person and that party come into the power, and main person become the CM or PM. Okay. In a democracy, only with the support of the people one can reach the power. In our democracy, parliament is into the apex body and the basic fundamental block of the gram panchayat. If you are talk about the democracy, okay, in our democracy only support with the people who can reach the power. Okay, who can reach the power, who wins the election, they has to get the power. In our democracy, parliament is the apex body. Apex means to high. Okay, सबसे ऊंची पार्लियामेंट होती है. The basic foundation the basic foundational block is ग्राम पंचायत, और सबसे नीचे क्या होता है, ग्राम पंचायत होता है. इलेक्शंस आर ऑल्सो हेल्ड इनटू द इंस्टीट्यूशंस और सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट. लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट ठीक है. कैंडिडेट्स इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ द लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट आर chosen their election. Okay, whenever the elections of the local self government were held out on a local level, at that time the people were choose that favorite person to whom they worked for that particular area. Okay, election are conducted into the municipality, in a town and municipal corporation in its cities. If you are talk about the local self government election, it is conducted into the municipality, in town or municipal corporation. Election is the lifeline of the nation's democracy. If any country is democratic country, election you can consider as the lifeline of the democratic country. So this is very important for each and every country. Election must be there. Okay, so election is the main part you can say about the democratic country. Elections are very important for the political parties. If you are talk about the political party, तो political party के लिए election बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है, क्योंकि अगर उनके अंदर वो हार जाते हैं तो उनके हाथ से पावर चला जाता है. एज वेल एज द कैंडिडेट, और कैंडिडेट के लिए भी वो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण रहता है. इलेक्शन इज़ द बैरोमीटर ऑफ द डेमोक्रेसी. ओके, यू कैन कंसिडर इलेक्शन इज़ द बैरोमीटर ऑफ द democracy. Election provides an opportunity to voter to evaluate the consisting the candidates. Okay, election हमको प्रोवाइड करता है क्या, किसको प्रोवाइड करता है, वोटर को अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड करता है कि वो अपने फेवरेट कैंडिडेट को, या तो मैं कहूँगा कि जो लायक होता है उस उम्मीदवार को ही वोट दे. इलेक्शन यूजर्स इन new political setup, the political waves. Okay, elections give the picture of the country's social and economic environment. Whenever election decided the future of the government. Election will decided the future of the government. Election are consisted by the political party. Okay, whenever the elections are there, it is consisted by the political parties, independent candidate, as well as the canonial of the political party. In the parliamentary democracy, the party or the conditions of the parties having the majority of winning candidate from the government comes in power. Okay, हमको पता है कि जो डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री के अंदर इलेक्शन के अंदर जो कैंडिडेट को वोट ज़्यादा मिलता है वो जीतता है, और वो जीतने वाली पार्टी का जो कैंडिडेट होता है वो पावर में आती है वो पार्टी. द पावर इज़ ऑब्टेन एज वेल एज मेंटेन बाय द सपोर्ट ऑफ द पीपल. ओके, पावर को जो मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि अगर काम करोगे तो आप सत्ता में रहोगे, अदरवाइज पीपल जो है आपको निकाल देंगे. तो ये लोगों का सपोर्ट के थ्रू होता है. इलेक्शन बीइंग सोल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, यहाँ पे इलेक्शन को सोल कहा गया, आत्मा कहा गया है डेमोक्रेसी की. इट इज़ एसेंशियल दैट इज़ अ ट्रांसपेरेंट, और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वो कैसा होना चाहिए, ट्रांसपेरेंट होना चाहिए, न्यूट्रल होना चाहिए, किसी भी तरीके की चीटिंग इलेक्शन के अंदर नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो टिल हियर वी स्टॉप्ड आवर एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट दिस चैप्टर. ओके, आई होप गाइस you can understand whatever is going on, okay, related to the Indian democracy, okay, related to the election in democracy. Okay, so related to this video, whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you through the PDF that you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, in our next video we will discuss about the next part of this lesson. Okay, bye, take care.